confession is that where I'm selling,
Yep.
we are many the place. So my place, customer did not used to come.
All right.
Day to day, customer did not used to come to my place. So I went to my village to do some things so that I will draw some customers to my place. That's my confession.
Okay, so you go your village, go do some things.
Yes.
Okay, like which thing? Just make am clear.
Like,
you go Babalawo place. What you go do?
Yes. So the Babalawo tell me, give me something to come and spray in my shop and then bury.
Okay.
That is when I get my customer.
Okay, so the Babalawo give you something make you call berry for your shop.
Yes.
What he give you?
I make some sacrifice there. I buy goat, ram, and other things. So he do that, he ties it, and then I come and bury it in my shop.
Okay, so you carry am from East, Abi?
Yes.
Come back to Lagos, bury am for inside your shop.
Yes.
So when you bury am, what you go happen?
Take 3 weeks, getting to 1 month before I see went back there that I did not see customer, nothing that what I did is not working. He said that I should go back, that I should patient, that not a scorpion medicine, that I should use patient.
Okay.
So for now, I am getting customer now. So I think that it's working better. Why am I confessing that I want to return everything back to him? I don't want that again.
Okay, you want so the thing still dey inside your shop for ground when you bury am?
Yes, you see there.
How many years or how many months now you don't bury am for inside your shop?
Like 1 year now.
1 year, Abi? Because if actually you say that thing dey work, that as soon as you come bury am for your shop that day, that time when you go, now the thing for you dey blow dey go, because you say you still go back tell am say man this thing e no dey work o. You say no be scorpion medicine when go start to catch. No. Say make you give am time. Now make I ask you, you feel say this thing dey work and you dey see wetin you suppose to dey see, you see wetin you dey expect to see?
That is why I'm confessing, because I'm sure that it's not working, and my mind is always there.
Okay.
I always put my mind there, because he told me that every year I should come with so amount and do some sacrifice.
Oh, so every year you go service the sacrifice?
Yes, so I go to renew the sacrifice.
The renewal.
So, yes, I'm planning that when I'm going back, I don't want to do like this. I want to go back. When I'm going back, I will remove it from ground, then everything, then give it to him.
Okay.
But I don't want again.
Okay. Yes. Get a bottle of water, right? Sprinkle the bottle of water around your shop. As I'm talking to you now, do it. When you sprinkle the bottle of water, tell God, say, God, thank you and have mercy upon me. Then dig that thing, come outside. You don't even need to go back to him. Dig that thing, come outside and burn it. You don't even need to go back to him again. If you get the Babalawo contact, block his contact. Make sure you don't have any other contact with him. Like I told, get a bottle of water, sprinkle it around your shop, dig that thing off that place, go and burn it. God is with you, no fear. Nothing will happen. Then the God of mercy, right? They say he is the king of all spirits. Yes. That's what they call him. Ezemo.
Chook pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.